The history of herbs. Goldenseal. Goldenseal is a perennial herb in the buttercup family Ranunculaceae. Native to North America, it may be distinguished by its thick, yellow knotted rootstock. The stem is purplish above ground and yellowish below, where it connects to the rhizome. Found in southeastern Canada and the eastern United States, the plant grows in mesic forests under deciduous trees and is also found in ravines and on talus slopes. Goldenseal became popular in the mid-19th century, and by 1905, the herb was much less plentiful because of overharvesting and habitat destruction. Roots of goldenseal are listed in the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Canada, as well as 17 of the 27 U.S. states where goldenseal grows natively, have declared it as threatened, vulnerable, or uncommon. More than 60 million goldenseal plants are picked each year without being replaced. The core of the herb's range is in the Ohio River Valley, but its population there has decreased almost by half. The process of mountaintop removal mining has recently put the wild goldenseal population at major risk from loss of habitat. At the time of the European colonization of Americas, goldenseal was in extensive use among certain Native American tribes of North America, both as medicine and as a coloring material. In 1798, Benjamin Smith Barton referred to the Cherokees' use of goldenseal as a cancer treatment. It became a favorite of the eclectics from the time of Constantine Samuel Raffinisk in the 1830s. Tribes also used goldenseal for digestive issues as an eye wash and diuretic. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.